Good morning, students. Today in this video we will discuss about the solar system. First of all, in the previous video I had explained about the introduction of the solar system. Then after that we had come to know about the universe, how the universe formed. After that we had already discussed about the galaxy and stars. So again we will come to know that what is solar system, and after that in next slide we will come to know about the uh, sun and the planet. First of all, what is solar system? Solar system is the sun, its planet, and all the objects moving around them collectively are called solar system. Well, when we look up and see the night sky, what we notice? We notice there are thousands of stars that are spread all over in the sky, in which the sun, which is the most important source of light, and also similarly the moon is other important natural source of light. Natural, it's also natural satellite. The stars, the satellites, and all the countless objects that spread across the sky, we can say its celestial body. The solar system is entirely dependent on sun because sun the sun is self-luminous, that means which has its own light, and because of sun we are able to see, because sun gives us light so that our planet receives the light from it. Rest of the planet and other objects that are spread across the sky reflect the light received from sun. Milky Way. Our solar system is the part of Milky Way galaxy. Well, there are so many variety of galaxy. Galaxies have different shape and size. There are billions of galaxies that spread out in the universe. Larger galaxy we can say trillions of stars, while where smaller one galaxy is less than billions of stars. One sun is of trillions of stars in the universe. Stars are found in groups held together by gravity. A huge group of stars is called a galaxy. Well, these, these stars are made of giant ball of gas in space, and it also have their own light. All the stars that we notice in the night sky belong to the galaxy named Milky Way galaxy. That is the part of our solar system. We also we should also know that how stars made up. Stars take billions years to form. It is made of giant ball of gas in space. Also, when stars are grouped together, we call them constellations. Well, there are 88 constellations that we are able to see with the help of our naked eye. Group of stars. When group of stars form shapes such as any character or an animal of a mythological character or an object, we can say that such group of stars with some imaginary shape is called constellation. Now next slide. Sun, star of the solar system. Sun is the heaviest among the solar system. It is a ball of hot and burning gases. It is also nearest star to the earth. That gives us light to the planet, and that we receive on earth also. Sun provides heat and light to all the planets. Without sun, life on Earth would not exist and our planet would be barren and frozen. Planets. Planet word comes from Greek which means wandering star. Wandering means walking aimlessly. Planets are heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits. It means the solar system that consists of the sun, where the planets including our earth revolve around the sun in its fixed path, that is known as orbit. Earlier it was considered there were 9 planets in solar system, but lately one planet called Pluto was declassified from being a planet. So earlier there were 9 planets in our solar system, but one planet which is far away from the sun, that name is Pluto, was declassified. So right now there are 8 planets, and all 8 planets come in two groups. First part group is inner planet. Inner planet means the planets that are closer to the sun. These planets come in the inner planet. For example, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are called outer planet, as these planets are far away from the sun, and some of these planets have rings around them and many moons. In next video we will discuss about the all 8 planets and their features we will know. So in this video we have come to know that in solar system there are so many objects that we can see in the sky. For first is star, second galaxies, third is sun, fourth is planet. In planet there are 8 planets, that is Mercury, Earth, Mars, Venus are called inner planet, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are called outer planet. Sun is the nearest member of the Earth, and it is also the biggest member of the solar system. There are other celestial bodies like asteroids, moons, dwarf planet, meteoroid. Also, we can also know that sun is the center of the solar system, and with the help of gravity it keeps all the planet and other bodies in their orbit, so that all planets revolve around the sun in its fixed path, that is also known as orbit. Thank you.